Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make insanely delicious cheesy broccoli. This is such a simple side dish, but I promise it's also insanely delicious. To start, you'll want to get a large heavy skillet heating on the stove over medium-high heat. Then you'll need some broccoli. You'll want to trim the broccoli so that it's into nice little florets like so. You don't need too much broccoli, but just enough that we're gonna layer it in the bottom of a 12-inch skillet. Break up any of the large pieces. You don't want anything super huge. You want it all to be bite-sized. Then we're gonna head on over to the stove. Drizzle in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the hot skillet. Then we'll add in all of our broccoli into a single layer. Then we're gonna sprinkle on about half a teaspoon of salt. You wanna let these cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes. Don't touch it, just let it sit here and cook and let the bottoms of those broccoli florets brown. In the meantime, you'll want to shred about 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, and you'll also need some lemon juice, so go ahead and slice a lemon in half. Then we can head back to the stove and check on our broccoli. I'm gonna drizzle with just a little bit more olive oil. Then we're gonna give these a flip, and you can see that they've browned on the bottom. Then you're going to let them continue to cook for another 5 minutes until the broccoli is tender crisp. For this 5 minutes, I don't worry too much about disturbing them because I want to make sure that all of the florets get cooked, so I'll turn a couple every now and then to make sure they all end up tender. Now when that broccoli starts to get tender to your liking, we're gonna grab the cheese and sprinkle this into the hot skillet. You'll want to let it cook for just another minute or 2 until the cheese starts to melt and brown. Then turn off the heat and sprinkle in about 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Or if you're sensitive to heat, you can just use regular black pepper. Last, you'll just want to squeeze on about 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And then that's it. You are ready to eat. This is insanely delicious with that crusty cheese on bottom. I love the little heat from the red pepper flakes. You are going to love it. Guys, I could seriously eat the whole pan. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. I'm going back to this broccoli.